Hello guys, welcome to Tech Me Devoted. I'm your friend Nitesh. Today in this video we will learn new encoding and decoding feature introduced in Java 8 so that you can protect your sensitive data like password. Although there are several methods and algorithm available, but here I'll discuss this new feature of Java 8 only. Before starting, I would like to tell you, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please do that and press bell icon, as whenever I get time I make videos on something to learn and I don't want you people to miss them. Now let's start coding. So here I made a class Java 8 base 64 example, and here is our main method, and I will show you how to write code using of this new feature of Java 8. So I'm taking an example of password. Suppose you have one password and you want to protect it, you want to encode it, and later on you want to decode it. So how to do that? So let's start. So first let me write some string. Let's as a password is, suppose your password is password. Suppose your password is password at the rate of 123, but you don't want to store anywhere as this string as password at the rate of 123. Rather you want to encode it. So, and later on if you want to decode it, you can decode it. So how to do that? So let's first write for encode. Okay, so let's take a string. Let's take as is 64. Now we have to write one if you will see here, you have to import it first. We have one method. See, base 64 is a part of java.util, and we will take one method get encoded. Okay, so we will use this method, and then we have to write encode to string. Okay, the first one, and it will take byte as an argument. Okay, so what will pass here, will pass this string password and will convert it as a byte. So password dot get bytes. Okay, so this is it. So here you can see here this one base 64. See, this is a class of base 64 and it is introduced in Java 1.8. so you can go through it if you want to go through how what is the method and what kind of things are there in this class. So now we have to, that's it, we got our encoding. This is very simple, and I'm giving example of very simple thing. I'm not going in complex way, but take it as a starting point and you can go through as complex as you want. So I'll print here this one, let's say this and suppose I want to print it. So if you run this, you will get something like this. Okay, so now your password is password at the rate of 123, but your encoded password is this one. So nobody can guess what is this, but you can decode it. If you are not if you are not believe what is this, and if you decode it, you should get password at the rate of 123 only. So let's now we will decode this. Okay, let's take the example of decoding, how to decode this. So just opposite of this. So what we need uh, decoded form will be in byte form. Okay, then we will convert that byte to string. So take one byte variable and let's say str as byte. Okay, now we will use this class dot get. There we have taken get encoder, here we will take get decoder. Okay, now we have one method as decode. Okay, decode, it will take this one, we have to pass this string, so we will take this one. Okay, now we will pass this string here. Okay, now see, this is the encoded form whatever I have shown in the output example. Now we are passing this in decode in this argument, and it will convert this as byte. Okay, now we have to print it. Okay, if you print directly this one, then you will get in a byte format. So we have to do in a we have to if you want to see the decoded format as the same as here, password at the rate of 123, so we have to convert it as a string. So we will take a new string and we will pass this one. Okay, so we will get one new string. Okay, now if we run this, we can see when we have password at the rate of 123, this is the encoded form and this is the decoded form, means the original string, original password whatever we have taken. So in this way we can it's better to write here encoded and here decoded form. So encoded form is this and decoded form is this. So this is all about new encoding and decoding feature of base 64. Although in earlier before Java 8 we have these things in Apache package, there is something like base 64 and we have a different method. Now Java introduced these things in a util package. So this is all about encryption, encoding and decoding. You can experiment something new and you can go through some new algorithm. There are several algorithms, you can go through it, and meanwhile you can practice this and you can use this in your development whenever you want to protect your sensitive data or you want to save your sensitive data into your database. So you can use this. Hope you like this video, and if you like, then just like this video and give me comment me below here in this video, so that if you have any doubt and if you want me to make video on some new thing, and if you have any ideas, then you can share me with comment. Then if I'll get time, I'll certainly make a video on that. So thank you guys.